Hi everyone, my name is Jeannie Matos and I would like to introduce to you my Integrated Communications Marketing Plan for Work It at Work Corporate Wellness Initiative. Today we're going to be reviewing the DeWitt Center for Health and Wellness, which is our flagship center, the Work It at Work Wellness Mission Statement, the objectives of Work It at Work, the SWOT analysis, our 4Ps, competition, market segmentation, customer values and buyer behavior. We're going to see our communication budget, look at the advertising strategy, and also look at some marketing tactics such as e-active marketing, direct response, B2B, outreach, public relations, and alternative marketing. And lastly, we're going to look at the evaluation and what are our next steps in the future. The DeWitt Center for Health and Wellness is a state-of-the-art facility located in Seaport District in Boston. We will host many programs that serve the mind, body, and spirit. The center was actually designed to meet the needs of the corporate community. Through an inclusive series of meetings with professional partners, industry leaders, and administrators of public and nonprofit agencies, the DeWitt Center provides opportunities that facilitate positive life-changing experiences through health, nutrition, art, athletics, personal development, spiritual discovery, and alternative holistic therapies. Work it at work. Why do we do it? Because businesses that launch wellness programs are not simply investing in the physical and mental health of their employees, they're improving the overall health of the organization. And by recognizing problems and concerns within your organization will allow you to assist employees in leading healthier lifestyle. Also prevent issues from happening, such as major dilemmas that result in absenteeism, exorbitant insurance costs, and compromised performance. How do we do it? Work It at Work will provide wellness strategies and programs to businesses all over the downtown area. Our wellness strategy is a long-term effort that combines health promotion and exercise-related activities. The client company employees will undergo a health risk analysis in which each employee will be able to meet with a health professional to design that personalized health program they need. Finally, Work It at Work will furnish employee progress reports to senior management, which will carry out the incentive program and generally monitor changes in the behavior of its workforce. The Work It at Work branding philosophy is comprised of three options: the Work It at Work individualized or small group workshops, the Work It at Work fitness plans through HR benefit packages, and then lastly, the Work It at Work that develops custom fitness and wellness management programs that will focus on the unique and specific needs of employees who work in today's large-scale environment. Let's not forget, mobile option gyms are available for all three options. We come to you. Our SWOT analysis, what are our strengths? Our total 360 solution plans that are outfitted with fitness, supplements, nutritional support, and custom designed diets. We're very conveniently located in the Seaport near the T with on-site parking. We are a traveling gym. We go anywhere at any time. We cater to most demographics, group or individual options, flexible hours, multiple branches of income. We have very skilled management and the ability to franchise or set up satellite locations wherever you go. And now, recently, we just added online workout from home fitness solutions. What are our weaknesses? Our revenue varies depending on the pay-per-use plans. There are definitely less cost-effective alternatives. High costs associated with customized personal service. The succession plans may be too complex. The perception that we are an elite service, way too pricey. The cost of attracting a large corporate client. And lastly, only one central location. What are opportunities? The high obesity rate in America is growing, the growing demand for fitness, the focus on health all across all ages, the growing health concerns, value-added services. We have package options that include fitness, nutritional consulting, custom designed diet plans, and a supply of supplements. Also, the supplement industry is growing. We're able to cater in-office workouts and the ability to rent out loaner equipment to clients. One service that's soon coming is prep meal programs. Our threats. the lack of resistance to an economic downturn, the potential competition from larger, well-established competitors, a major change in society where the individual begins to take far more responsibility for his or her health maintenance, at-home boot camp or free do-it-yourself trainings, online purchasing of supplements, a saturated market, and lastly, legislation. Our 4Ps. Our prices start at $25 for one class. A package is $175, and then we have recurring options of $110 a month without parking, $160 a month with parking included. The most efficient option is definitely the recurring model. Additional streams of income include supplements, customized meal plans, and nutritional consulting, which is an added service on top of your general fee. Extra services include off-site mobile gym services such as one-on-one session for an additional cost. Our product is fitness, health, and wellness services. Our place, the center is located accessible in the Seaport area with parking options. Our promotions, the tactics that we will implement to promote brand awareness is print, e-active digital, business to business, events, alternative marketing, and public relations. Our Work It competition. 3 main competitors for Work It at Work programs are The Y, Gold's Gym, and Planet Fitness. All 3 are lower cost gyms and have different target audiences. What are our market audience? Our primary audience, individuals of various levels or ages seeking health, wellness, and fitness alternatives. Corporate, our main segments are corporate through HR benefits and professional and social meetup groups. The moms that stay at home while the guys work. So we have Work It at Work, marketing, audience and segmentations. Alternative Andy and Annie. They're married, they're over 30, they seek exercise as less stressful on their body and other forms of exercise. Looking to lose unwanted weight, most likely have children, and they want an alternative to the drudgery of the gym. Average combined income is over $200,000. We have Fun Felicia, the fun one around the office. She connects with most employees, likable, and always gets people to go out. Her age range, 23 to 35. She's a morale booster, often encourages other colleagues to participate in company events, wants to burn calories, and she looks for a variety in her exercise regimen, and she also likes to motivate. Her average income is over $80,000. HR Harriet and Henry, the go-to person, makes all the final decisions on benefit programs. Age is over 25, likes to facilitate activities that encourage productive and healthy employees, and they need to spend dollars on exercise regimens that keep employees happy and actually want to do. Knows that business can retain employees by offering creative perks. We have Soccer Mom Sally and Socialite Sandy. They are stay-at-home moms. Husband is a professional who spends most of the time at office or training. She's always on the go and needs time for herself. Wants to exercise with local moms, so the activity must be appropriate for all fitness levels. She has a need to find her inner self again, and she can achieve that through classes such as belly dancing or Zumba. Her age range is 27 to 45, and she has a disposable income of over $45,000. Overall, all these segmentations and customers, they all seek excitement, freedom, happiness, pleasure, self-fulfillment, personal accomplishment, and social interaction and belonging. The overall buyer behavior is that all these segments, they all seek pleasure pursuits, they have an emphasis on health, they seek individualism, emotional connection, and affect referral, which is nostalgia. Our communications budget. We estimate that this will be a plan that'll cost around $90,000. And the budget allocations look like this. 10% will be alternative marketing, 10% will be outreach events and expos, 15% will be B2B marketing, 20% will be print media, ads and publication take up 15%, and lastly, our largest budget option item would be e-active digital marketing. Our advertising strategy that we will use for consumer is slice of life. Those are individuals that want to lead an active lifestyle, but they dread working out and find it so boring. Time is always a major issue because they don't seem to have enough time in a day. Eventually, the individual stops exercising. A cycle reemerges when the person doesn't feel good about themselves. The DeWitt Center will provide a platform where they can express themselves in a fun, interactive way with a variety of choices to lead an active lifestyle. Advertising strategy number 2, to B2B, informative. So studies have proven that happy, successful employees lead active lifestyles and build strong relationships at work. HR professionals need innovative ways to ensure high productivity in the workplace. The workplace always provides a platform where employees can have fun with other colleagues, creating opportunities to bond while maintaining an active lifestyle. Picture desk-side yoga to alleviate stress for the customer service team, or visualize an after-hours boot camp right in the accounting department. Whatever your company's needs, our innovative on-site programs meet people where they are during their busy workdays to create situations where all employees can form bonds with each other. Media tactic, e-active marketing through our website. Highlight promotions, advertising, and PR opportunities. Link the website to all of our media platforms, social media platforms. Create how-to workouts, cooking and wellness tips. And definitely display client and staff testimonials. Media tactics, e-active digital marketing. Create a buzz in both the consumer and B2B sectors to include social media, our website, e-blasts, and blogs. Media tactics, consumer print. Posting in local magazines such as Stuff, Improper Bostonian, The Metro, Phoenix, Boston Parent Paper, Boston Baby Boomer, The Boomer Chronicles, Boston Herald, The Boston Globe, Back Bay Sun, etc. All of these magazines and publications are still being read by baby boomers that usually are, in this case, millionaires. We will post flyers in local hotspots like coffee shops, health and nutrition shops, supermarkets, cities and city town hall news boards, PTA meetings, and etc. Media tactic, B2B print. Post ads in local healthcare and magazine newspapers that are industry specific to certain areas, such as Boston Magazine, Health of Boston, the Boston Globe, the Boston Herald Health Section, and Parents News, or healthcare industry and trade magazines such as Healthcare Trade, Healthcare Central Publications, and Trader Monthly. Media tactics, consumer and direct response marketing. Produce direct response mailings through newspapers or inserts to local segments. Target local demographics and place ads in newspapers to promote our upcoming events and schedule of classes. Also include inserts in local magazines and newspapers that include multilingual versions. Some examples are noted: Beacon Hill Times, the Charlestown Bridge, the Back Bay Sun, the Jamaica Plain Gazette, and the Cambridge Chronicle. B2B tactic, human resource targets. Join a wellness provider or vendor directory such as Northeast Human Resource Association and Insperity. Create multi-purpose direct mail pieces and hand drop at locations. Follow up with email, call, and send out coupons. Also provide free trials to potential business referrals. Media tactics, events. Events are always a good way to get forward-facing in front of clients. Consumer events include dance and fitness classes, Dance Till Midnight, dance flash mobs, Biggest Loser, You Think You Could Dance, fundraisers, and Mom Moves After Hours events. Also, participate in health and fitness trade shows such as Integrative Healthcare Expo, the Boston Healthcare Expo, Partners Health and Fitness Expo, Baby Boomer Health Expo, and AARP.